flip the other way. I'm also going to adjust this hip here too, okay?
Okay.
There we go. All right, on your back now. Give yourself a big hug. Switch arms. There we go. Breathe in. Breathe out. Lift your head off the table. Good. Okay, now you can relax. Let's check your neck. And relax. Set two. Make sure this one's all right. There we go. Good. And because of what your x-ray showed, I'm just going to put some thrust into your neck, okay? Like right up here. Not necessarily going to pop or anything. Just kind of get a little force into here. Nothing too hard. Release some of these muscle tension in the back of your neck too.
Okay.
All right.